What's up, you guys? We're gonna make some chicken and shrimp stir fry today. So first we're gonna start with our garlic butter. We need black pepper, Italian seasoning, minced garlic, and parsley. 1 stick of butter, and you're going to mix it all up. You want to mix it well and make sure your butter is room temperature. It allows you to mix it a little bit easier. And also you can find garlic butter in your local grocery store. However, I prefer to make it. So you want to sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And now let's start on our marinade for our chicken. So you want to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then mix it well and set it aside. So now you want to cut your chicken in bite-sized pieces, and for this recipe I use 2 pounds of chicken. Then you want to add the chicken to the marinade that we just made. And now you want to mix it really well and set it aside. Now to our veggies. So I chopped up red, green, orange, and yellow bell peppers and some zucchini. However, you can use whatever veggies your heart desire. So now we're going to add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil to our skillet. And then we're going to add our zucchini first, because it takes a little bit longer to cook. So we're going to allow that to soften up a little bit before we add the peppers. So I allowed that to cook for about 2 minutes before I added my peppers in the mix. Y'all, these colors are just so pretty. But anywho, so I added some salt, some accent, and I don't know about y'all, but accent definitely does kick up the flavor to your food, and some sesame oil. And I will have all the ingredients listed as well as the measurements listed below in the description. So we're going to continue to saute our veggies for about 10 minutes or so, at least until they're tender. But while we're waiting, let's go ahead and get started on our chicken. So here I set the temperature for medium heat, and I added my vegetable oil as well as our chicken that we had marinating. Of course, you want to cook your chicken until it is completely done, or about, I think it took me about 15 minutes, but it varies. So you want to make sure it's completely done. Add some black pepper towards the end, and voila, we are finished with our chicken. So we're going to head back to our veggies. So here I added the garlic butter that we made earlier to our veggies, as well as some steamed broccoli. And then you want to add some teriyaki sauce as well as some soy sauce to your veggies and give it a nice stir. And we are now finished with our veggies. Sorry guys, I'm missing my shrimp footage. My camera died. However, for the shrimp, all you want to do is add in, of course, a little bit of oil. Your peeled, clean, and divine shrimp. Boy, y'all be on me in my other videos. Just because I don't put it in here does not mean that I don't do it, y'all. I clean my shrimp. I divine it. I peel it. I do all that. But anywho, you want to season it with a little bit of soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, and add in your garlic butter and some lemon juice. And that is all for your shrimp. Remember, shrimp don't take long to cook whatsoever. Like literally less than 2 minutes. So yeah, that's your shrimp. Now for our fried rice, you want to add more vegetable oil. You want to use cold cooked rice. And I prepared this rice like 3-4 hours ago and allow it to chill in the refrigerator before frying it, which is a major key for not having mushy rice. So here I added the butter, the garlic butter that we made, as well as some onion powder and a ton of soy sauce. Y'all don't judge me, but I like myself to be very seasoned. So yeah, added my soy sauce and I gave it a good stir. And usually I would add onions as well to my rice, but I didn't have any at the moment and I wasn't going to the grocery store. But if you have some onions, add some onions in there. It definitely keeps up the flavor. And we are now finished. I added some more teriyaki sauce on top of it. That's how my husband likes it. So I added some more teriyaki sauce on top. And you guys, it is so good. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely check out this recipe. Definitely make it for you and your family and all your loved ones. You will not regret it. Have a blessed day and thank you so much for watching.